If you're looking for the updated Vivo Y29S PD2443F ISP pinout, you came to the right place. When performing UFS chip programming, FRP bypass, remove MDM lock, remove user lock, recover data, or repair dead boot, the ISP pinouts are the first and most important step. As mobile technicians, we often deal with bricked, locked, and not detected devices. This is where an ISP connection directly to the UFS chip is required. In this article, I will provide you with the verified ISP pinout for Vivo Y29S 5G that I have personally verified, what it is, and how it can be used safely for repair and recovery purposes. What is Vivo Y29S ISP pinout? ISP, in-system programming. Pinout helps you to connect directly to the UFS memory chip of a mobile phone. This helps in reading and writing data using tools like EasyJTag, UFI, or CM2 without removing the chip from the motherboard. Vivo Y29S ISP Pinout diagram. Here's an actual image of the Vivo Y29S motherboard with the ISP pinout clearly labeled. Pinout labels: RXOP, receive out positive; RXON, receive out negative; RST, reset; TXOP, transmit out positive; TXON, transmit out negative. How to use Vivo Y29S ISP pinouts. Power off the phone. Open the back cover and disconnect the battery. Clean the pinout area on the motherboard. Solder fine jumper wires to the RXOP, RXON, TXOP, TXON, and RST points as shown in the image. Connect these to your UFS programmer or box. Follow your tool's instructions for reading, writing, or removing security locks. Tips for mobile technicians. Use a good microscope and fine soldering tools. If you're new to ISP, don't rush. Practice on scrap boards first. Always double-check pin connections before powering the tool. Document or snap a picture of your wiring for future reference. When you need the ISP pinout for Vivo Y29S. If you need to unlock FRP and standard methods do not work. When the device is dead and not detected by the PC, EDL not working. For reading or writing firmware directly to UFS. In cases of user data extraction or dead boot repair. That's it. With these Vivo Y29S ISP pinouts, you can easily perform UFS operations for repair or data work. For more ISP pinouts and mobile repair tips, keep visiting our blog.